How's it going, guys? Welcome back. SmartHelping.com here. And I don't know how this is going to go, but I am looking to, do two or three more financial models before 2020's out. And before I really think about it, I want to know if anybody out there has some ideas about what they would like to see built. It doesn't really need to be specific, just a type of business in any industry or any maybe a broad industry, and I will take it all under consideration and try and build something that will cost between 45 and $125. Now this is probably good for some of you because if you needed a custom financial model done, usually it's going to take between six and $3,000, 600 and 3,000. So this could be your shot to get something almost to what you need for much cheaper. Also, I need some ideas, so let's hear it. Now, if you want to see things I've done in the past, um, a lot of real estate stuff, distribution waterfalls, a lot of software as a service stuff, marketplace stuff, um, accounting tools like inventory management, inventory tracking, forecasting. Uh, I have a general three statement model that basically can be applied to any of the industry financial models. Um, More real estate stuff, just general business tracking tools. I do all kinds of things with that. Employee scheduling, a hiring and firing tool that was a recent one, job costing, time trackers, salesman performance, all kinds of stuff with just business logic and business tracking, KPI work. And then all these industries, started with open pit mining, apple orchard, mobile home parks, pay per click, modeling, jewelry, just anything. So anything's on the table. I'm just looking for an idea. Hopefully, it's that a lot of people might be interested in modeling. So hopefully, you guys got some stuff you want to see. Just comment in the comments below the YouTube video, and I'll select one of them if I think it's good and build it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna build something. I don't know what exactly yet. So we'll see how this kind of feedback goes, and I'll see you when something's built. All right, see you later.